G'day guys, I just bought a couple of VY headlights from ozparts.com.au. I'm just going to show you guys how to install them and we'll go from there. So here we have the old headlights. So we're going to start by removing them. You'll need 10mm spanner and the ratchet if you've got one. So first of all, there's three bolts to undo, one at the very back. Make sure not to lose the clip that it screws into. For your socket. One bolt out. Yeah, next bolt is down here, next to where your grill would be. And finally your top one. And then it should just slide straight out. Unplug all your plugs. And there you go, one headlight out. Now the difference is these ones have HID high beams in them, so we're going to be getting rid of the whole HID unit and just putting normal globes back in. So take all your bulbs out. Inside your headlight there'll be a couple of clips, you've got to unclip them to get the headlight out. It'll be a bit of a pain. Maybe better to get a small screwdriver. Excuse me for 2 seconds. So here I've got a small Phillips head screwdriver. As you'll be able to see, there's two little clips in here. He's got to push down and move to the side, like so. Lift them up and your globe will just come straight out. Now these are your HIDs, which we are currently removing, so we do not need them. Alright, so once you have your globes out, disregard that headlight and we'll come over here and get the new headlight. So these are the new headlights from ozparts. All nice and new. So we take these caps off at the back. you grab one of your H4 globes. Make sure your tag's light up. Bracket goes down and it just clips in behind there. Alright, this plug here, 3-pin, should be pretty easy just to put straight on. Push it on. That's your main headlight done. Put the cap back on. Now I'll just grab the blinker. Now, same with the blinker. Need to use an orange globe for this. Push it in and twist. That's now locked into place. Currently at the moment we don't have parkers, but normally you same thing. You put a parker globe in, put the attachment on, and away you go. Once again, cap back on. Now it's just a matter of repeating the process backwards. So start by plugging your lights back in. There's only 2 bits you've got to actually plug in, so pretty easy. Make sure you line all your holes up. We do them all fairly tight. Don't overdo them though, you don't want to wreck the studs. And now we'll test them out and that should be it. Easy as that, guys. Thank you for watching.